so glad to be able to come back here again. When the Renaissance happened in Italy, the Dutch were already painting in the same style and manner 200 years before the Renaissance. So the Dutch painters were 200 years ahead of the world with regards to painting and all. Also, my friend's work is in here, so I'll come check it out. There's Schiphol over there. Ohio. Hello. I think I'm gonna sketch them.
Inma Serrano, Sevilla.
Sevilla.
Yes.
Sevilla is near Granada.
Yes, in the south.
Sí.
You?
Singapore.
Singapore. I was teaching in Singapore in the symposium.
This is my first symposium.
Say hi, Tom. I would love to see you here.
But what inspired you to come here to sketch the musicians?
Because I was passing by here this morning and they were playing a very beautiful music, so that's it.
Music and art goes together really well, and then it gets raised to a higher level. Yeah. Very good stuff. Wow. I can actually get stuck here for the rest of the day, but I've got to see some art in the Rijks Museum. So we're here at the Long Live exhibit. Baas. You can see his work at the Schiphol airport, inside the transit area. And check out this link if you're interested in that. Thibaut, congratulations, good job. He runs an atelier in Florence, so I'll leave his information down in the description box. So this time round, the night watch is going through some restoration process. You can see the frame stripped off from the canvas. We're only seeing the canvas without the frame. This is the time that they're doing it, and with all the new technologies, they're using a micro X-ray fluorescence scanning to the millimeter. 56 scans are required to fully map the entire night watch, and one scan takes about 1 day or 24 hours. I'm sure Rembrandt will be pleased. Welcome to Vondel Park. This park over here was named after a poet. Oh look, illegal gathering. Check this out.
We are part of the Belgium group in Brussels.
Oh wow, so you use color pencils, huh?
What am I
That you
using?
use? Which,
Koh-i-Noor. But I use others as well.
Okay, good. Let's see what Satu has. Wow!
I was on the other side of the garden. Fine liner.
Fine liner. And
fountain
what?
pen.
Watercolor?
And
Or?
watercolor, yeah.
Wow.
I was not sure if I should color it more, but then I thought,
That's fine. And wow, you did a map of, so
I'm-
you'll never get lost.
Yeah, and I will mark here where I have been, so you see the spots.
Brilliant. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
Alvin from Singapore.
Alvin from
I'm
Singapore. Hi,
kinda,
Alvin from Singapore. Gail from Amsterdam. Hi.
Nice to meet you, yeah.
Kuna from Sketchbook School and I met up, and she had a little sketchbook, and I said, "Oh, I'm going to get one," and I wanted to get one smaller. And we had a little competition, and then I bought. And then at Van der Linde here in Amsterdam, they had a whole bag of them and took them to Porto, and a lot of us started sketching these mini. And Marlene that's her
She
thing.
went crazy, okay.
So
Oh, so there is a shop here that sells it at that
not anymore. I
Oh,
bought
because
the
you
last
bought them.
one.
You mean you bought everything?
And I tried online to buy more. I looked everywhere. They don't sell them. They don't make them anymore.
Can I see what's in it? Oh my goodness, is this a real thing? Oh wow, where can I buy this from?
No, you have to ask Marlene.
She made this.
No, she
Oh,
bought them. This is a birthday present for me last year. Because I gave her one of these in Porto.
It's a mini book.
That's
Look
in
at that.
Venice. Venice.
That is just so perfect for if you want to travel light.
When I started, I bought this book and I thought I'll just do like one. It's so small. I'll do one thing on each page, and then I discovered that you could actually draw windmills and
Whole scenes.
whole scenes.
This is like 80
Yeah, it's really 80,
GSM,
yeah.
yeah.
And then everybody started joking because I started making frames and making the pictures even smaller. Because they weren't small enough yet. But Marlene's latest sketchbook is about half this size, so it's even smaller.
Super. Did you sketch today?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is Julius.
Yeah.
This is near here, opposite the right. Is it
Yeah,
Rijks?
it's
Dobro utro.
Dobro
Oh, sorry.
it's
No,
okay.
afternoon. Yeah.
Quite big. We'll take photos now. Okay, everybody, Amsterdam! Woo! Thank you.
Hello, my name is András. András Szoboszlai from Hungary.
He's gonna show us how he stores his pencils and art materials. Check it out. That's a
Okay.
good. So she sews it and she makes it, huh?
Yeah. I'm able to biking with this.
Okay.
And look at that. There are,
Oh wow.
I don't know the name of
all
it.
these, yeah.
And here are another kind of
And more.
more.
What's your friend's name?
Cecilia.
Cecilia, yeah.
Simonyi Cecilia.
Okay.
The name of the brand is WALKIT.
WALKIT.
WALKIT,
Oh,
like
WALKIT.
walk, and it's
It,
kit
okay.
and kit.
Kit. I'm gonna find the link and I'm gonna try to put it in the description box if you're interested in one, yeah?
We start from close to Watercolours. Sorry, I don't know it from my head.
Yeah.
And it is the end point Kadijkplein. And it's a route around the Hortus and Artis. It's very nice, and also yeah, it's a harbor.
Okay.
So lots of nice locations.
How was the weather today during the walk?
Too hot. but at Artis there's a free square close by with water, and so
Okay, so it was cool, yeah.
one more.
The starting point, maybe 10 people came by,
Yeah.
but now at the end point, there are like 4 times as many.
Was there anything interesting that happened? Did someone fall into the canal?
No,
or-
thank God.
Alright.
Well, if they
It would be good
fall,
for
they
the
would-
video.
yeah. and it would be good for them to cool off. But
selling it out. So that was the example. I remember that very well.